Welcome back. So until now we saw a lot of things, I would say, about Rest Booker. We saw how to get data, post data, put, delete, how to log, um, how to write data in a file. What we didn't have a look at is time. What do I mean by time? Well, imagine you have to test an API and the customer specifically says the API has to be fast. He doesn't really define fast, or maybe he does define fast, but let's assume he doesn't define fast. And you try a couple of times and you see, okay, now it's 694 milliseconds, 168, so that was really fast. But you tend to have an average. So you know, okay, when you have something before above, I don't know, 150 or 200 milliseconds, that's a no-go. And the customer then agrees with your assumption or with your statement. How would you check this, or how would you code this in Rest Assured? Well, this is what we're going to do in the next minutes. So I already have a class created. It's just the same GET request as we've seen in Postman. Don't worry, as always, all the code is in the public repository. It's updated each time I make a video, and you will never be left behind. Okay, so we have a couple of ways how to check time. Well, actually, we have one way how to check the time, but I will show you how you can do a default check and also then how to customize it a little bit. So let's get started. We have the pull request here, and we want to add something more, and that's already here. So it's time, and let's say we want the time to be less than. So how much did we say before? I think it was 200 milliseconds, and we say 200 and L. This is 200 milliseconds. Don't believe me? Let's run this and see if we get any issues. And we already got an issue because apparently via Rest Assured, the time for the request was 1255 milliseconds and not 200 milliseconds. So we actually have a test which we can confirm. Well, it's working. Perfect. But let's say now we want a different kind of, we want more granularity, if you want. What do I mean by that? Well, we have the time and we know, okay, less than 200 L, and this is milliseconds, yeah? But what if we have, what if you want to have seconds? Do you do, I don't know, bum, 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 and then you make it in seconds, or you just want to define nanoseconds or something else? Well, that is also possible. And how is that possible? Well, here, just do a dot and we say time unit, and well, 200 days would be a little bit too much. Let's say 200 nanoseconds. Let's run this and see if it works. By the amount of time that it's thinking, I'm saying it's definitely going to fail, which is good. Just proves that it works. Yeah. So, well, this time something went really bad. Really, really bad. Okay, but you can change this nanoseconds to seconds to minutes, depending on what you have. So there you have it. This was how you can check the time of a request in Rest Assured. As always, thank you for watching the video. Write in the comments if you want to see videos of a specific kind. If you're not subscribed already, do subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.